Let's go.
Okay, so we just submitted this paper, and it answers what can we experience and report on a rapidly presented image. And past studies have shown that the content of experience on rapid scene presentation is more likely to be high level and lack of fine details. And by rapid scene presentation, we mean the experience after briefly seeing a natural scene image. But this claim is concluded from a number of first choice tasks. There are two major problems of that. One is that it restricts the level of details. For example, even if you can see something more detailed than the options, you cannot report it. And another problem is the options might create expectations. For example, if you are asked to decide whether you have seen an animal or not, then you might expect that you could see the animal. And so to solve these problems, we use the free report paradigm, in which participants are asked to give 5 response words together with confidence ratings. And based on that, we proposed a novel index called Intersubjective Agreement, IA, to quantify the specificity of the target word. And IA ranges from 0 to 1, and IA equals 1 means that the word is only used to describe the target image, which should be something detailed, like an object or an animal. And IA equals 0.5 means that the word is evenly reported under all the images, which should be something coarse, such as a color or a shape. Here are the reports from the images with highest and lowest mean word IA. And if you need, you can pause here to see those responses in detail. They are also report frequency and confidence ratings. You can see that the conclusion, the result shows that in almost all images from the highest mean word IA to the lowest mean word IA, and participants are able to report highly detailed words, such as these individual letters and kid, mom, it's detailed, or boat, or a bow here, and together with high confidence ratings. And to further examine the relationship between IA and confidence ratings, we find that word IA is correlated with confidence rating, not only across SOA, but also at each SOA, indicating some metacognitive processing. So our main findings are that participants can report highly detailed information from a briefly presented natural scene image, and they are metacognitively and consciously aware of what they see.
Okay, great. Is there any question from the audience?
Yeah, I have one question about this intersubjective agreement. So the range of this IA is from 0 to 1.
Yes.
But you explained that 1 is the most detailed and 0.0 is,
yes.
Evenly reported. So what about 0 then?
The word is reported very frequently under all the images except the target one. Like there are 420 images, and under the target image, and the word is reported once or twice, and under all the other 419 images, the word is reported like 30 times by all participants. That's the extreme situation, which will give a very, very small word IA. Yeah, but
okay. Yeah, that's good. Any other question? Otherwise,